Monday, August 4th, and big surprise here. We now have the customer's Muskeg tractor in the shop. Dad spent a couple hours yesterday getting everything put together so he could start it, and first thing they did this morning was move it back into the shop. It's just way cooler to work in here. Dad can get the air moving with the big fan in the back there, and then also you're not being baked all day by the hot sun. Still crazy weather here. I was wearing a jacket this morning because I think it was plus 15. It's now probably plus 30. So we have this Muskeg tractor and this one to do here. So Aidan's busy drilling some bore holes into the side here. I imagine it's for the doors. And so Dad actually wants to spin this around, so he's just going to wait for Aidan to finish drilling here real quick, and they're going to back it out of the shop and then spin it around and do a quick demo. So they're busy removing all the screws so they can get the windows out. The windows have to be taken in to get brand new in some cases here, and they want to be able to protect them. Sorry for the noise in the shop, but fans going because it's absolutely brutally hot. That and the air quality index is through the roof here again. So I'm going to let these guys finish off this task here real quick, and then they're going to back it out and put it back into the shop. So they got everything unscrewed here now. They're just going to pull out the window and frame. Slides out pretty easily. It's just using a rubber mallet so it doesn't damage anything. There you go. So you can see where Aidan was drilling out all the old bore holes here from the rivets they would have originally had in there. So that's just going to pop back out on this side as well. And then luckily we got a glass shop here in town, and we can take it straight to there. You'll notice the damage on these back ones. That's just got to come right out. And I think that shop in town actually said they even come out and measure all this and install in place. So I just took a 30-second break, and they got the other window. Oh no, they don't have it out.
Got a broken stud there.
Okay.
We this exhaust was rotted out and whatnot, so we cut this off and made a new extension and clamped it.
Okay.
And got new alternator, new rad.
Okay. Did you guys drill holes in the bottom for drainage or no?
Yep. And put new cable in for shut off.
Oh, good.
And this is all new inside.
Okay.
Full of antifreeze. We're gonna start it. I want to turn it around out there and back it in.
Okay.
And then everybody can see it running it.
Okay. So this is the one side here. It's rough. It's got to be cleaned up quite a bit. And then put new weather stripping in, obviously. They got quite a bit of stuff taken out front already. They got the second window out. And Dad says he's just going to fire it up here and back it out and back it back in. Do you want this door closed? peppy. So we got the one in the shop that's ours. This is a customer's. We're going to be fixing this one up, obviously, at the same time we're fixing up the other one. And both of them are going to be for sale. So you need something for booting around in the swamp or the back bush. This is going to be your machine that you're going to need. Good for logging operations and whatnot. Whoa! Hey! Jeez. Almost ran over the door there. So it only took a couple of minutes to move out. You're gonna have lots of room here now to move around, and probably maybe even move it up and back out in again. But we're just moving some stuff around. So this is what these guys are up to today. August 4th, civic holiday. That doesn't stop Dad or Aidan though, and we'll check in with these guys later. So Charlie and Emily and Nina Pinta Santa Maria. They're all gonna walk down to the riverbank, check it out, maybe have a cool dip. The other day, they had a squirrel or a chipmunk in that dock over there, so that kept them busy pretty much all day. But Charlie's having none of it today. He wants to go down to the riverbank. Come on, Em. Check things out down here. And Nina's gonna follow her Charlie around wherever Charlie goes. So the old dog is just gonna do a little bit of wading here now. Not too deep, because that might be dangerous. And that's it. Lasted 10 seconds. Oh, they got something over here. Emily's found. Well, they found something back there. Charlie's back right over there. Emily's back there. It'll keep them busy for the rest of the afternoon. What a hard life these dogs of mine live. Okay, Nina, let's go back to the shop then.